nose? Blue top deck? Papa's gonna love this. 44 red. 44 done. Tomorrow con? Rear wing cans. Then the LEDs. It's perfect! 3 more days, Papa.
Good morning, son.
Papa! Close your eyes.
Yes, son?
Milo, you built this?
Every single can. I counted them. 112. Happy birthday to me.
Incredible! So cool!
A race car made of garbage cans. And people are actually watching it. Let's see where you're going. That pathetic pile of tin cans dares to drive on my circuit? Three nights. Every single can.
What does that mean, Dad? Papa! Look at me! We are going to build something better. Something that makes Campbell look like a warm-up.
The Valley Junkyard. Everything we need is there. Tomorrow morning, you and me, Valley Iron Junkyard.
The one in the Fog Valley with all the old race cars?
Every single legendary chassis. We pick what we need, we build it right.
Tomorrow, Phantom Bolt. Go! Tomorrow.
Hey,
I can't see anything. Just white.
that is the best part.
They're all here. Every one of them.
And they have been waiting for someone who knows what to do with them.
Papa, the Phoenix. That is exactly what I drew last night.
Then that is where Phantom Bolt begins.
Canary, the front splitter from row 7. The twin rear fin assembly from row 12. 12?
The white LED driver that ate there. You have the LED board, son.
I've got the LED board. I have the LED board. I definitely have the LED board.
Call out the front splitter offset.
42 millimeters from center.
Angled down at 8 degrees. Perfect. Hand me the 8 millimeter.
Ah,
It works.
of course it does. It looks better.
It looks better. It came from a car that used to race. And now it goes again. That is exactly right. What the?
We built it. Milo, you built something extraordinary.
Go, Papa. Papa.
Where did that come from? You, the one in the red car, full circuit, tonight. My car against yours, Phantom Bolt, tonight.
You don't have to race him, Papa.
I know,
You know,
but I think Gus has something he needs to discover tonight, and I can help him find it.
clean entry, clean entry, clean entry.
Finally. Just be the fastest. That is all you need to be. Are you all right?
Why did you stop?
Because it was the only thing that mattered right then.
Is everyone okay?
Everyone is okay. Canbolt was the warm-up.
Phantom Bolt was...
Worth it.
Do you want to see how we built the Phoenix emblem?
You designed the LED wiring yourself?
And the Phoenix emblem mounting. Papa did the chassis and the splitter.
That is very good work.
Good day, son.
The best day.
This drawing started everything.
It started everything.
You route the LED strip through the diffuser channel?
Not under the floor pan?
Through the channel hole, the light spreads further, see?
That is smart.
I knew you had it in you. Do you think Canbolt, wherever it went, can see this?
I think Canbolt is right here.
Huh?
Do you think we'll race again?
Yes. Properly this time.
We're just getting started. That one. That one.
And that
one. Both.
Both. You have to try the fried ones. I think I am fine with this. Your loss.
Your loss.
How is the detailing going? I painted the wrong panel, twice. When did it stop being fun? About an hour ago. I cannot concentrate on anything. Can I show you something before we eat?
Is this about last night?
It is about Phantom Bolt.
Running at the same time all day, every day. Carbohydrates, Bet. Bread, rice, the fried food, the sweet drink. Your body converts them to energy
Faster.
protein. Egg, fish, tofu, beans, bab, the grilled skewer stall we walked past.
I did not stop at that one.
Your body uses protein to repair Oh, healthy fats. Nuts, avocado, fish, seeds. This fuel burns slowly, Gad.
Your body uses it for
Last night I had
only tank one.
only tank 1 and nothing from tank 2 or 3.
And this morning your repair crew had...
If we built Phantom Bolt and filled it with only nitro, no base fuel, no hydraulic fluid for the repair systems, what happens on lap 3?
It just...
Tank 2 first. Repair crew gets materials.
Then tank...
3.
Then tank 1 to start the engine.
In order.
The grilled skewer stall row? That was tank 2.
Egg, fish, tofu, all of them.
And the vegetable dumplings at the first stall?
3 tanks. Oh? All 3. Every meal.
Hey, good Paria.
How is the detailing going?
Clean lines.
Tank 2.
Tank 3. Tank 1, small.
Plum tank. Full fuel panel.